Hi friends, welcome back. As a software tester, what kind of headlines do you put in the LinkedIn? Because LinkedIn is a platform where all software professionals or all industry professionals, they do available in the LinkedIn profiles. Then how will you put your profile as a software tester that is going to be attractive to all the other professionals? What kind of headlines do you put in the LinkedIn? That is the key here. I am going to give around 10 different headlines you can place as a software tester for your profile. So let us see what kind of headlines you can put in a LinkedIn profile. The first example would be software testing enthusiast with experience in both manual and automation testing. This you can put if you have exposure in both manual and automation testing. The second headline would be a recent computer science graduate seeking entry-level opportunity in software testing. If you are a fresher, especially if you're bringing a computer science graduation or engineering background, then you can put this kind of headline in your LinkedIn profile. The third examples you can put it here is if you are a passion about software tester and you are a seasoned software tester, then you can put this as an headline in the LinkedIn. A detail-oriented software tester with a passion for ensuring a quality in a software product. And the fourth headlines example you can place here, especially if you are good in analytical skills and you are good in testing methodologies and tools, you can place this headline like analytical software tester with expertise in testing methodologies and tools. And the fifth headlines you can put here is if you are a fresher, then as a fresher software tester committed to deliver high quality software product. And the sixth would be, even this is for fresher, a software testing fresher with experience in both functional and non-functional testing. If you are having exposure both in functional and non-functional, you can put in this way in the LinkedIn profile. And the seventh way you can put in a LinkedIn headlines is entry-level software tester. If you are just have experience of up to 5 years of experience, you can put in this way, entry-level software tester with a keen eye for identifying defects and ensuring a smooth user experience. And the eighth would be if you are experienced software tester, you can put in this way, result-driven software tester seeking apply skills in software testing to solve complex problems. That is the headline you can place in the LinkedIn profile. The next set of headlines you can place in the LinkedIn is entry-level software tester with a strong analytical mindset and commitment to continuous improvement. If you have this kind of mindset, if you have as a software tester, especially this is for entry level. If you are an entry-level software tester, you can put in this way also the headline. And the 10th example would be a motivated software tester eager to learn, collaborate with the experienced software professionals in the IT industry. This is also can you put in a headline. So you can choose out of these 10 examples, you can choose 1 or 2 examples and you can optimize or you can tune yourself and you can place appropriately into your LinkedIn headline so that that can catch eyes of many other professionals in the LinkedIn community.